Now I am going to discuss the another part of chapter 5 heat of class 7 physics, and the questions here from number 40 to 50 and the numericals. Question number 40. Why are quills filled with fluffy cotton? Answer. Quills filled with fluffy cotton, air is trapped in the fine pores of cotton. Cotton and air are insulators of heat. They prevent heat from our body to escape and thus keep us warm. Question number 41. State the direction of heat transfer by way of convection. Answer is, in convection, the transfer of heat is always vertically upward. Number 42. Why is a ventilator provided in a room? Ventilator provided in a room because when we breathe out in room, the air in the room becomes warm and impure. The warm air is less dense, that is lighter, so it rises up and moves out through the ventilators. Then the cold fresh air comes in the room through the windows to take its place. Thus, the continuous circulation of fresh air keeps the air in the room fresh. Question number 43. Why are chimneys provided over furnaces in factories? Answer is, this is because the hot gases coming out of the furnace are less dense than the air. They rise up through the chimney. The smoke, fumes, etc. around the furnace rush in so as to take their place and they are sucked out. Thus, the chimney helps to remove undesirable fumes, smoke, etc. from the premises. Question number 44. What are land and sea breezes? Explain their formation. Land breeze. At night, the land cools much faster than sea. Therefore, the sea water is warmer than the land. The air near the sea, being warm, is less dense, so it rises up and cold current of air blows from the cold land to the warm sea to take its place. This is called land breeze. Sea breeze. During the day, the land becomes more warm than the sea. So the air above the land, being warm, becomes less dense. It rises up and the cold air from the sea blows towards the land to take its place. This is called sea breeze. Question number 45. Why is the freezing chest in a refrigerator fitted near its top? The reason is that the air near the top in contact with the freezing chest gets cooled. It becomes denser and therefore descends down. The hot air from the lower part rises up. Thus the convection current are formed. The cold air coming down from the cooling chest cools the entire space along with the things present in the refrigerator below the cooling chest. Question number 46. Explain briefly the process of heat transfer by radiation. Radiation is the process of heat transfer in which heat directly passes from one body at high temperature to another body at lower temperature without affecting the medium. Question number 47. Give one example of heat transfer by radiation. Answer is, when we sit in the sun, we feel warm. We cannot get heat from the sun by the process of conduction or convection because most of the space between the sun and the earth is a vacuum, and both of these modes of heat transfer require a medium. Hence, we must be getting heat from the sun by mode of radiation. Question number 48. Why do we prefer to wear white or light colored clothes in summer and black or dark colored clothes in winter? The reason is that white colored clothes reflect most of the sun's heat and absorb very little of it. Thus, they keep our body cool, and black or dark colored clothes absorb most of the sun's heat and keep our body warm. Question number 49. The bottom of a cooking utensils is painted black. Give the reason. The reason is that black surface absorb more heat and so the contents of the utensils get cooked rapidly if its bottom part is painted black. Question number 50. Draw a label diagram of a thermos flask. Explain how the transfer of heat by conduction, convection and radiation is reduced to a minimum in it. Heat transfer is minimum because of the vacuum between the two walls, rubber, glass, cork and air do not allow the loss of heat by conduction. Cork in the neck of flask and the cup over it prevent loss of heat by convection. Heat cannot be lost by conduction or convection because of vacuum between the two walls. Heat loss is minimized by radiation by making outer surface of inner wall shivered. The inner wall is a bad radiator and the outer wall is a good reflector of radiation. And the diagram is in the next page. Now here you can see the diagram of a thermos flask. Next, numericals. First question is the temperature of a body rises by 1 degree centigrade. What is the corresponding rise on the Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale? And now you can see the calculation of number A, and the answer of number A is 1.8 degree Fahrenheit. And here is the continuation of numerical 1 part B, and the calculation you can see here, and the answer is 1 Kelvin. Now question number 2. The temperature rises by 1 degree Fahrenheit. What is the rise on the Celsius scale? And the calculation is given below. The answer will be 10 degree centigrade. Now, numerical number 3, convert 5 degree Fahrenheit to the Celsius scale, and the calculation given below. The solution is minus 15 degree centigrade. Question number 4, convert 40 degree centigrade to the Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. Answer of number A is 104 degree Fahrenheit. Now you can see the continuation of question number 4b, and the solution calculations are given here, and solution is 313 Kelvin. Now question number or numerical number 5, convert minus 40 degree Fahrenheit to the Celsius scale, and the calculation given below. The solution is minus 40 degree centigrade.